This is Cell Machine 6. Here we go. Wow, that's cool. Let me just repeat it. Just a second. Here we go. Three, two, one. Second time. That was really cool. And you probably noticed all of the many of the clones that happened as the thing moved across, which was pretty cool. And once again, here are the links that I usually will be in my videos. Thank you.